Hello Canva lovers. So today I am going to share with you how to make this viral pop-up poster design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I am going to use this image which is of Eiffel Tower, and this is a pro image, and if you want to use a free image you can easily find it in any third-party apps and you can use that. So let's use it first and let's make it bigger. Please make sure you don't use this set image as background, otherwise it is hard to cover the image. So let's make it bigger like this. Okay, and after that let's duplicate it and just put it in the side. Okay, and select this image, and after that click on edit, scroll down to find blur. Now click on whole image and use the intensity as 40. Okay, now click on this cross button. Now click on this image and just hover it here so that you can find the adjusting lines. Okay, and just bring it till the lines end. Okay, like this. And after that, when this is done, now here search for shadow border. Now use the first graphic which says shadow border vignette effect landscape scale. Okay, use it, rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, and if you find it lighter, just duplicate it and bring it here. And after that I will select this image and crop it from all the parts till here. Just keep one part extra so that we can just select and duplicate it again and just bring it here. Okay, and adjust it. Okay, and just make it bigger from the above also, and after that click on BG remover and crop it till here, and also this part crop it till here. So as you can see, the pop-up effect is here. Now if you want to make this more prominent, just click on edit, click on adjust and increase the brightness. And increase the highlights. And your image is ready.